Hello all, in this video we are going to learn the program number 30 to find greatest common divisor. GCD stands for greatest common divisor or highest common factor. Okay, so what is mean by greatest common divisor? In the sense, for the given two numbers, the highest common factor we will consider. For example, there is a number called 10, there is a number called 12. So 10 will be divided with the highest common factor called 10, but 12 cannot be divided with that. Next, for 10, 5 is a factor, but 5 is not the factor for 12. 2 is the factor for 10. Yes, 2 is the factor for 12. Right, 2 is the common factor for 10 and 12. If I say here 18, 18 itself is a common factor for 18, but not 12. For 12, highest common factor is 12, but not 18. Then the second highest factor for 18 is 9, but not for 12. For 12, next highest factor is 6, but it can work for 18 and 12. Then highest common factor for 18 and 12 is 6. That is what the logic of this. So again we are going to implement a recursion logic as a previous program. Recursion means if a function calls itself in its body. If a function calls itself in its body. So I will be defining the prototype of that function, GCD of two numbers, integer n1 comma integer n2. Okay, here we are going to implement the function name called GCD with two parameters. Okay, that is what we will implement in this program. So first of all, I have to read two values. Let us say n1 comma n2 are my two numbers. So printf enter two positive numbers to find GCD or HCF, whatever we call. Okay, then scanf, then percentile D comma address of n1 comma address of n2. These are the two values which I have declared, right? Then printf simply GCD or HCF of percentile D and percentile D. That means n1 and n2 is again percentile D. That is nothing but n1 comma n2 comma GCD is the name of the function which takes two parameters, that is n1 and n2. That's all in the program. Now implementation of that function called GCD. Integer GCD of int n1 comma int n2. So implementation is required until if n2 not equals to 0. Until n2 is not equals to 0, we are going to call this function recursively. Return GCD of n2 comma n1 percentile n2. This is what the call for GCD function. Okay, then it is a recursive call. It is a recursive call. In GCD function again we are calling the GCD. Okay, otherwise else simply return n1 value. If n2 is 0, simply we are going to return this one. So this is simple program code related to the program, right? Let me save this. OCPRG30 already it's there. No, JPG file is there. Okay. .c, right? Then compile it, then run the program. Let us say 10 and 12. 2 is the highest common factor. Let us call again 12, then 18. 6 is the highest factor. If I say 12 and 36, 12 is the highest common factor. If I say 490 and some 50, okay, then the 10 will be the highest common factor. That's all in this program. Thank you.